There is a tremendous amount of karmic contracts that are being released now. Breathing in, dearest Lady Quan Yin. Go ahead and speak my name. Dearest Lady Quan Yin. Dearest Lady Quan Yin, I call on you. My friends, I am here. Repeat those words to me. That allows me to send you more compassionate energy. Dearest Lady Quan Yin, I call on you. And my friends, my children, my brothers and sisters, call on me. Beloved ones, I am that I am, and I am your reflection. I am the spark of divine nature within you, the spark of the Divine Mother. I am Quan Yin. And so those contractions are important. And so running late, losing your keys, slamming the door on your fingers, tripping over the dog, losing your money in the stock market, losing your boyfriend, your dearest friend leaving you, losing your girlfriend, experiencing death of a loved one, beloved one, in human form, in animal form, feeling the ending and the sorrow around the ending, experiencing regret as you look over your life. I could have done more. I could have been softer. I could have been more loving. I should have said that. Those awarenesses, they're the beginning of the contractions that push you out, that push you into rebirth. You have listened to us, Saint Germain, the archangels, myself, guides, guardians, speak about rebirthing. And over you keep hearing you're birthing a new self, a new life. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin speaking from the garden. I am Quan Yin delighted, stretching my 1,000 arms out, embracing each one of you. I am Quan Yin. I am whole and one being, and I am Quan Yin. Thousands upon hundreds of thousands upon hundreds of thousands of cells. I am Quan Yin. I am individually with all of you and each one who suffers on the earth. I am with joy and sorrow. I am the compassionate one. I am Quan Yin. Last full moon, I spoke to you about calling on me for protection. For protection. Why should you not be protected from those irritations that pull on you, from those distractions, from those noises and imbalances of the earth? Make a commitment to yourself, holding the palms up. In my name, Quan Yin, in your name, I commit to myself. I commit to being my higher self. I commit to accepting my divinity. I commit, and I make commitments. I make commitments to my spiritual practices, to my paths, to my spiritual groups, to being part of the whole, to being collectively spiritually, to praying together, to meditating together, to dancing and singing together under the light of the moon, to being around the fire, to meditating in silence together, to being alone, to praying alone, to meditating alone, to be one and to be many. Make a commitment and you will bring balance into your earth. Sure, things are shutting down, but systems are in place. Systems are falling apart, but new systems are in place. The contraction and expansion can be a dance of grace. Accept the grace now. The grace comes to you in the form of my flowers and their vibration, of your sisters and brothers in the plant world. You are understanding more about the plant world, the vegetables, the flowers, the plants, the herbs, the things that you put into your body. You are understanding the synergy that takes place. You are praising and loving them. You are blessing water. You are blessing food. You are blessing seeds and plants that you grow. You are becoming more aware, less frenzied and harried, less willing to eat mere illusions of food and rather looking for the life force of food, looking for the life force of your own being. This awareness is part of the awareness of the garden and the flower blessings that we speak of. The plant devas, the plant spirits, they come to you. They come to you in vibrational forms, and there are those beings on your earth that are dedicated to working with the plants and their vibrations and making them available to you. Use them. I am Quan Yin.